Talofa guys, talofa. Mayoto, today's mukbang is about luau with corned beef in it and a couple of fai's, boiled green banana. Okay, listen guys, I sent my daughter into the shop, right, before I took her to school. I said, baby, go inside the shop, ask the lady for 4 luau's with the meat in it. Okay guys, so she come outside, give me the thing, the luau and stuff, and then I went to boil my bananas, and then my other daughter dropped by for a little while, but I was supposed to get the bananas off the element. Okay, I was just talking too much and I forgot it was boiling. So now it looks green. Hello. Anyway, it's green, greenish, brownish, overboiled. Yeah, fair. My husband knew. Okay, you meant to stay there and look after it. Oh, but yeah, he can overcook everything, and no one can say anything, huh? Okay, wish me luck that this thing has, this luau has. Look at that, guys. Look. It looks good. It looks good. I love it when I open it up, turn it upside down, but especially the one from Samoa. The flavor of the luau you get from Samoa is just different. Probably because it's like the pure coconut cream from the coconut tree. But the ones from the can, sometimes you don't know what they put in it. Anyway guys, I've got 2 luau's. I hope they got like meat in it. Oh, look at that one. It's got more love. You know, because it's got a bit more pepe. Pepe is coconut cream, guys. Pepe is coconut cream. Anyway, okay. I've got coffee today, guys. It's not really dark like other people's coffee. It's super soft. The coffee that's really like strong is the airport one, right? The one on the plane. Ooh. Anyway, cheers guys. Sometimes I can nail a coffee, sometimes I don't know. Anyway guys, I'm just gonna open up this one of these luau. I'll open up this one. Okay, there's no meat in that one. There's no meat in that one. So guys, my daughter got the wrong one, so now I'm gonna go inside and look for me a corned beef. This girl! Okay, we'll be back. I thought she had it wrong because yesterday's luau I got, she was lovely, corned beef inside it. It was like in a flat square. This one was like, anyway, she got it wrong. She was probably thinking of what lolly should she pick. Anyway, I'm going to go inside, get a corned beef and warm it up so there's not much oil on it. Okay, well, we'll be back. Guess what? I'm back. And look what I went and done. I went and fried me a corned beef. See? You don't make a big deal out of it. All you have to do is make do with what's in your pantry. And luckily, my husband always buys corned beef because you know Cook Islanders, they love corned beef and dip. That's Mickey. Anyway guys, let's get this prayer going so we can eat. Okay guys? The prayer's done now guys, so it's time to eat. Look forward to this. Corned beef smells delicious. Onion, bit of pepper, and a bit of the garlic. One more drink. Oh, they're running around doing the corned beef. Okay, here goes with my green bananas. Okay, shh. Okay, man, I tell you guys, sometimes when you send your child to go to the shop, Either the shopkeeper is helpful and will help your child, or they just do whatever they want and sell whatever they want. Here guys, have a bite. You know what's nice about this? The salt is just right, and the cream is just right as well. This other one, I haven't tasted it. This one is the one that looks like it's got a lot of love. Alright. Right. Look at that. See? If it doesn't have meat in here, go and find you some. That's what I would. Look, got a lot of coconut cream in the bottom. What have you guys got to eat out there? Wow. Good hand, good hand. You know when someone makes it, I was so good. Hey. Hey! You know what? You behave. Look at that. Look at that coconut cream. So rich, so beautiful. This overcooked banana is actually nice. But yeah, have some guys. We went family visiting yesterday, guys. We went to see my cousin and his wife, but he was at work, and the wife was home. The mum would be at home, but she had gone, so nice hang out with Rosita. She's a really nice lady, Rosita. I like her. I like her real good. Look at that. Heaps of onion. Look at this Faye. It's yellowy. I completely forgot it was on the stove. Laughing. That's pretty nice though. Nice combo. Oh, look at all the onion. I love adding a whole onion to 1 can. That can't be a really supersonic onion, then it's all onion, not much corned beef. Medium. Oh, excuse me. I've got shout outs to do later. Tipping this right here. Look at that. Yeah. You know what? These are actually good gloves. I thought the other one might not be because I don't see a lot of coconut cream, but it's very creamy. See, now I want to show you something. Maybe you guys don't want to hear it, but you know I love Milo. I love Milo, and I can't drink it, you know, like a drink. Yeah, I don't understand because it can make me do some. Whoop, whoop. I mean, big. Oh God, I shouldn't be talking about. Well. And a staple tea. I mean, do they have something against me? I mean, well, there's a bite. Yeah, hold on. Hold on. If I got a shout out. Hey. What? Bear with me. One more drink. Just so nice. Nice little, oh, well done Blackett shop. Well done Blackett at Steve's shop. They're getting more food in their store. More food. I bought my husband's pig head yesterday. He thought it was Christmas and his birthday. Come as one. Crunchy, crunchy. Pig head. It's so crispy, so lovely, but anyway, shout out time, guys. So. The first shout out goes to DONTAE Julia. Now, DONTAE said to me to try out their fish shop out in Mangahi Massey Road. Their seafood, they make really nice fish and chips. I didn't have any time to visit like out south ways. Yeah, but next time, DONTAE, I will visit. I will visit your family fish shop so I can get me some fish and chips. Yeah, so I want to shout out FATNEL. He's got a channel, guys, so Samoan guy, please go and, you know, subscribe to his channel, guys. Show him some support and love. When I had the kina video the other day, he said that he would have ingi the kina, like, you know, take your time, but not me. I just couldn't wait to eat it. And I did. 4 jars. What a pig, what a pig. Anyway, and then this other channel, and this other person, I want to say hello. It's, I think it's CHEY Kara. Okay, I hope it's Shay or CHEY Kara. And then I want to say hello to SHANLEE MANAHI. Hello, SHANLEE. How dare you, Cornedbeef? I'll get on. Anyway, back to the shout out. And then I want to say hello to ESTHER NOMOTU. Hello, Esther. And Juliana FAAFUA. Hello, Juliana. Thank you very much for commenting on my channel. And guys, show some love, please, to Langi Love. Please, guys, she's a Polytuber and she's a cracker. She's such a nice girl. Please, if you guys can, you know, pop over, subscribe to her channel, watch what she's got. She's so funny. I want to say hello to Valentina Strickland. Hello, Valentina Strickland. I don't know if you're Cook Island, because my husband says all the Stricklands are related, and he's related to the Stricklands. Oh my gosh, it's just like The Rock. Everyone's related to The Rock. Anyway, I'm just saying, you know, like, I'm just joking around. But really, wink, wink. Okay, oh, man, I can talk. So, thank you, Panthers boys, for commenting, watching from Tonga, saying that he's coming here to Australia. So, g'day when you get here, or if you're already here, hello. And just cooking with Avi or Avi. Yeah, go and check this channel out. Just cooking with Avi. Okay, guys, it's good to show some support. And HELEENA TOGAKILO, hello to you. Thank you very much for commenting and watching my video. And John LABAN, hello. I hope I said your name right. And last but not least is Jeffrey T. Hello, Jeffrey T. Nice to meet you guys. Okay, I think there's one more name over the other side, and it's UTAMOE. See, UTAMOE, you get the lucky last shout out. Okay, because the one that always come in late usually win the Australia Got Talent night. Okay then, guys. Thank you for hanging out with me, guys. I hope you guys are doing okay out there in the world, doing the best that you can do. And don't forget, if you're ever stuck with anything, you know, you always ask the good Lord, because he's always listening, okay? But, you know, nice prayer every day will be nice. Hey, okay, guys, you know this t-shirt? It's a boys t-shirt. I went into Big W, I like the look of it, and I just put it in my shopping trolley, and I thought, awful for my mukbang. But I won't wear it anyway, because I'll go, the lady will go, darling, did I buy you that t-shirt? But I should have cared. Because me, I am the sort that don't care. I don't care, you know, I care what people think if I'm doing something bad out there, but I don't care what I wear, as long as I'm not in my lingerie lasimia. Yeah, okay guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. This was delicious. I'll leave this other little out so I can eat it later, because you know you gotta have some food for your snack after. Guess what, guys? Be good, okay? Be good to other people. You know what? Sometimes when you meet someone, you don't know what they're going through, and just a little bit of nice, comforting words, like treat them like a brother and sister, cousin, whatever. You know, be nice, because you never know how they were feeling. You might have just uplifted them. Okay, I better go and say, Mama, where are you? This lady, she always wants to watch TV. Kid got TV, kid got TV. When I turn on the TV is watching her. But anyway, I love having her around, my poor mama. Take care of your parents as well. Bye, guys.